now it's just a matter of putting the window guide back and putting the two 10mm nuts for this back in place. Now just lift it and guide the bolt back in. So you've got a 10mm nut here on the bottom that I'll put back on, and 10mm nut back up here at the top. So make sure that those are nice and snug when you get those on. So those will be good. Make sure your window actuator is all, or your window frame is all in the right place. The actuator is in the right place. And then it's just a matter of guiding the inner door lock back through. Now remember, it goes between the window guide and the frame on this side, so you'll feed it in. You'll feed it in through the vapor barrier right here, and you'll hook it to the actuator right here. And then you'll take your inner and you'll hook it back just like we practiced on the old one, showing it on the new one on the inside of the actuator here. So those are your two primary connections, and then you'll take your plug and you plug your plug back into the bottom. And at that point, you should be good. Now, again, we'll talk about the vapor barrier in a little bit. Make sure that it's back in the right place. If need be, you can use more of this. And again, more of this seal. A heat gun or a hair dryer will do a really good job in making it really tacky.